Hi, Robert Beauchamp for Training on the Imaging Software. Today we're going to be reviewing how to export images. There are two ways that you can execute an export of an image. One, if you click on the file, there is an export picture. Obviously, you have to have the picture that you have chosen in the viewport. And once you've chosen that photo and put it in and selected, you click File, Export Picture. This allows you to export it to a particular place. Okay, this is where you can choose where you would like to export it. So here I have it on desktop images. Again, you can choose another location if you prefer. The numerical stamp of the picture is here with the format. So we can change how we want to export this image. It could be in a DICOM format, which is for legal purposes. We can do this. Also, you can choose bitmap, TIFF, or JPEG. If it is a photograph, you can choose those formats as well. And you can change the name if you did want to change the name to the patient's name. And just simply click Save, and the image will be exported to that file. Okay. Another way to export images is to go further down in the menu, and we have Export Picture Directory. When we click on this, this allows us to export multiple images from the patient. So it will open up a completely new screen where you will have access to the patient's library of images. And you can choose multiple images here by just clicking on them to highlight them and see them in the viewing port on the right. And if you right mouse click, it will choose it to be exported. You can also again choose a different format in terms of the JPEG, TIFF, etc. And you can do multiple images. You could click on different images from the patient's file and just keep adding. And at the bottom, you do have some tools here that will allow you to even guesstimate how large your email will be with these images attached. So if I click on Estimate, it will calculate here on the right the size of the file and how big it will be. So the source size being 4,000 kilobytes here. So you'll know if it'll pass through the email system or not. You also can access images from within the global library, which is another area where images of maybe your treatments have been saved. So you can access images from both libraries at the top of the menu bar here. Once you've decided to export, you can choose either to email directly. You can export to a certain area here, which is highlighted right here on the desktop, as I've done before. Or you can export and exit automatically, which will allow you to just exit quickly and terminate the export process. So we just go export. They'll be all sent to that export file that I've outlined. And then I'll just exit. Oh, export is finished. Okay, and exit. Done.